Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to unbox the Masterplay wooden guitar 30-inch color natural, and it's a 30-inch guitar for kids mainly, and I purchased it from Amazon. It was on sale in Amazon, and it was just 29 bucks, 29.99. I will share the link in the description box if you guys are interested for this. I think it's a very good um, toy. It's a very good guitar for kids for initial stage when they're very kid, and good price. And the main thing is it comes with a bag and tuner, and also a few other stuffs. So friends, let's open this box. So friends, I am going to open the box. So it comes with a carry box, as you can see, and all these items like belt, string, and this is the auto tuner kit. This is extra string and the plain things, and also with this one and a cleaner. So all this comes with this, and let me open the guitar. So this is the guitar. So friends, this is the guitar. It's not tuned. I have to tune it. So it comes with the auto tuner, and you can see here every parts. So it's like a real guitar. This is the back side. It looks nice. It's I chose this color because this is good for both boys and girls, so that's why I chose this color. So all this stuff comes with this guitar, and I never tune any guitar, and I am not a music person. I just listen music, so this will be my learning. There will be a learning curve for me to tune this one for my daughter. So I think this is for shoulder like if you want to hang the guitar on your shoulder, this is for that. So friends, I think this is a very good gift for kids, kids who loves playing guitar and all those. So if you are interested and you are thinking for some good Christmas gift or some birthday gift or something, I think, and your kid is music lover, then maybe you can think about it. So friends, that's all about, maybe once I tune the guitar, I may create another video on how to tune the guitar. So maybe I'll create that. So if I create that, I will share it with you guys, obviously. And that's all about this. So friend, let me know what's your thought, and share your comment in the comment box. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Enjoy your time.